Good morning, I'm back, and as promised, in this video, I am going to be making some tags. These tags are going to be to supplement my rainbow kit of 2022, my Project Life rainbow kit. So I pulled some papers that were already cut down to 6x6, and I grabbed a 3x4 card just to kind of test and see what sizes of tags I should get. I may do a few of these, but these will be more for like the fronts of like a 4x6 card because they're quite big. So I may do a few of those, but for the most part, the tags that I'm going to make are going to be things that I can put on a 3x4. And like I said in the last video, I'm not going to get too carried away because it's nice to make tags and all, but if you end up making too many, then they're just going to sit in your stash. So I'm just going to use these papers and we'll see how we go. I also grabbed these kind of scallopy tag ones because I thought those would be kind of fun. And I got a couple of different sizes because I thought this size here would be a great one to kind of put in the corner of a picture or something and use it as an anchor for an embellishment. So I will do some die cutting and I will put you on fast forward. And as you can see, the sun has shifted. So I'm going to try to keep this pretty quick. These are some tags that I already had in my stash, but I thought I would show them to you so you could get an idea about, oops, yeah, no, that's the right way around, about the way that I layer them. I like to go in layers of 3 or 5, sometimes even 7. And what I mean by that is this would be 1 layer, the tag in the background. 2 layers would be the circle. 3 layers would be the white circle. 4 layers would be the little heart. And then the 5th element would be the word element. And then I don't really count the little stickers and gems and stuff. But, I mean, you could if you wanted to. So 1, gold circle is 2, white circle is 3, cloud is 4, blue tag is 5, 6, and then, I mean, you could count the button if you wanted to, so technically that would be 7. So those are the little tags that I already had in my stash, and I thought I would show you. They make a great filler card. So once these are done, you just plunk them on a 3x4 and you're good to go. And that's it. I would add twine to this, but I would kind of wait and do that at the very last, just to kind of use a baker's twine or something, not too chunky, that you could coordinate with the rest of your layout. Grab a little bit. So that was kind of showing you with a cardstock paper. What about, that's a bit busy, but I think you get the idea. You could pick your cardstock and then go through and pick an embellishment or like a tag and throw it on and have it be done. So some of these I will be assembling on camera, and others, like that one in particular, I'm really not sure about. But what I've done is I still have some die cuts over here, and I pulled my clear word stickers And I just mounted them on some white cardstock, just so I knew that you'd be able to read them once they were on a tag. And I'll trim these down. Some of these I probably won't use, and others I know I will, like Enjoy the Little Things, for sure. So yeah, I will see if I can throw some of these together, and I will be back when they're done. Okay, I'm going to stop there and show you what I've got. I think I need to start storing my glue upside down. Seems like whenever I go to turn on a video and film, I'm having glue issues. So these will just get thrown back in their respective colors. And I will put this whole thing back. I'll probably dismantle this. So I just pulled these for my DIY embellishments. And it's just one of those fruit trays that you get. I've recycled this thing. I can't even tell you how many times. But sorry, camera bump. But it's super awesome for dividing things like this. I have about 3 or 4 of them in my stash, just for those times when you want to take an even smaller selection than what's in those iris trays. So they're great. So these I already showed up close, but these are the ones I just did. And I think in another video, I left this one kind of plain. I think in another video I'm going to show you how I do my layered hearts, which are another great way to use your scraps. I think I'm going to have to wait and film again a little bit later because the sun is making videoing a little bit tricky. So I left these relatively plain, but the idea is that they're a base, and then depending on what else is going on that particular page, I can add to them. Some I might even add some of my little DIY flair to. You could add sequins or jewels or enamel dots. I should pull some of my enamel dots. There's also a DIY coming for that too. And I already filmed a DIY enamel dot video. I'll see if I can link it up here. It's using perler beads. Was actually pretty easy and not as time consuming as you would think. All right, folks, so I'm going to stop there because the light is being not very cooperative, and I will see you next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.